In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access trash in Zoho WorkDrive. Zoho WorkDrive is a robust and user-friendly platform designed to enhance your file management experience. Often, we may accidentally delete files while working or reorganizing our documents and realizing that these files are not truly gone, but rather moved to the trash, can be a relief. Accessing the trash is quite straightforward, and I'll guide you through the process step by step. First, let's make sure you're on the right page. Upon logging into Zoho WorkDrive, you'll be greeted by your dashboard. Here, you'll find sections for recent files, your favorites, those shared with you, and more. While it's tempting to dive into these sections, our focus today is to help you retrieve files you thought might be lost forever. On the left-hand side, you'll notice a navigation panel, which is your gateway to different areas of your WorkDrive. Here, you will find options like My Folders and Team Folders, among others. This panel is where the magic happens. What we're looking for is an option that will let us access files that have been discarded or accidentally deleted. These files are nestled comfortably in the trash section. Now, look closer to this panel and you should spot the trash option. If it's nested under another option, don't hesitate to expand any collapsible sections to find it. Clicking on Trash will redirect you to a new area in the WorkDrive that displays all files and folders you've deleted. It's worth noting that files in the trash are not permanently gone the moment they're moved there. Zoho WorkDrive retains deleted files for a specified duration, allowing you enough time to recover anything if needed. As a best practice, make sure to regularly review the contents here, especially before any automatic permanent deletion kicks in. Once inside the trash, finding your lost file might seem daunting if you have a lot of content, but WorkDrive has made this manageable. You can utilize the search function specific to this section. Input keywords relevant to your lost file to quickly locate it. If you found what you're looking for and wish to restore it, hover over the file name. You should see a set of options, including Restore. Selecting this option will move the file back to its original location, ready for you to use once again. Remember, being familiar with this process can save you significant headaches in the future when critical documents seem lost. Keeping track of your files and knowing how to retrieve them empowers you to make the most of the Zoho WorkDrive features. And that's it. Now you know exactly how to access and manage your trash in Zoho WorkDrive. It's a simple yet essential skill to ensure you never lose important data. Thank you for watching, and happy file managing.